Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi Mangla, working as an assistant professor at the BBA department of St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management. The subject that I take up here is Human Rights and Values. This is our 19th lecture of HRV, and we were already doing the topic types of values. We had covered the three types of values, and today we'll be covering the remaining two. That is the classification of values according to Constitution of India and Gawande classification of values. So let's just begin. Now, according to Constitution of India, values are divided as follows, as we've been given over here. First one is democratic values. See, democratic values, they give us freedom of thought, expression, equality. They promote equality and they promote dignity to all individuals. So, we know that India is a democratic country. So we have got the freedom to express ourselves. We have got the freedom of thought. We have got the freedom to live with, dignity, to have equality for all and everyone. So these are all what comes under democratic values. Then we have socialistic values. Now, equality of status and opportunity and equitable distribution of wealth. These all are a part of socialistic values. That is, wealth should be equally distributed between the poor and the rich. It should not be that we are making rich. That is actually what's happening. The poor is becoming poorer and rich is becoming richer. But that should not happen. There should be an equitable distribution of wealth, and there should be equality of opportunity for all. It should not be that one section of the community is getting a lot of opportunities and the other one is very much backwarded. So that should not happen. There should be equal status for all, and there should be equal opportunities, and the distribution of wealth should also be equitable within all sections of the society. They are socialistic values according to the Constitution of India. Then we have secular values. Now, secular values gives us respect for all religions, freedom of faith and worship. That means it is our right to respect all religions, and we all have a freedom of faith, and we have a freedom that we can worship any religion of our choice. Nobody can force us to follow a specific religion. Whatever religion you like, you have a right to worship and follow that religion. So these are the secular values as per the Constitution of India. See, having these values is also very important. If we do not have secular values, we will not learn to respect another religions. And there might be the fights between people, or there might be riots on the basis of religious things, that they keep on happening if we don't have these secular values. We need to have socialistic values also, so that we can give equal opportunity to others, and as well as seek for ourselves also equal opportunities. Then we need to have democratic values too, so that we have the freedom of expression and thought, so that we can treat everybody equally. We can keep that in mind, that everybody has a right to live with dignity, and we do not harm their dignity, and do not let anyone harm our dignity also. So having inculcation of such values is very important. Then we have the last type of classification, that is Gawande classification of values. Now these were given by Dr. Gawande in 1994. Okay, and then he had made several classifications within that, wherein we mainly have 6 classifications. First one is human values. Now these are related to human behavior. All other values are built around human values. See, human values are the basic values which are related to our behavior, and rest of them are built all around it. See, it depends upon your behavior, that how you treat a person, how you treat yourself, and how you treat others. All the things are dependent upon your behavior. There is a child who's very decent, who's very disciplined in the class, and there is another child who's very naughty, who's very notorious, who's very inquisitive. So they all are different behaviors, and no two humans can be similar in their behavior, because everybody is unique. Everybody has certain qualities of their own. So we cannot consider, even two children who are twins, but they might be very different on, if we talk about their behavior. So it's not necessary that two people will have the same human behavior. And so human values, they are very much related to human behavior. A child who's very, very quiet, so he might be, the child who's very quiet, he will be very disciplined also. He will listen to his elders, he'll listen to his children, teachers also more, as compared to the one who's very notorious. जो बहुत नॉटी है वो टीचर की बात भी नहीं सुनता होगा, वो घर पे भी नहीं सुनता होगा. इट माइट बी पॉसिबल, इजंट इट? सो ह्यूमन वैल्यूज दे आर रिलेटेड टू आर ह्यूमन बिहेवियर, एंड ऑल अदर वैल्यूज, बाकी सारी वैल्यूज दे आर बिल्ट ऑल अराउंड द ह्यूमन वैल्यूज. बेसिक ह्यूमन वैल्यूज के साथ साथ ही बाकी वैल्यूज डेवलप होती हैं. अ चाइल्ड हु इज डिसिप्लिन्ड, he might be very regular in his work. A child who is notorious, he might not be regular in his work. So they are basic क्या है? Basic is the behavior. Behavior के behalf पे ही हम बाकी सारी चीज़ें भी जज कर पाते हैं. Alright, so these are our human values. Then national or constitutional values. Values included in the constitution of a country are known as national values, which we studied, like democracy, socialism, secularism, which were there in the constitution, we just studied just now. Equality, justice, dignity, they all are our national values, which we have got from our constitution of our country. Okay, then social values, these are based on the culture of a society. Example, according to Indian culture, respect and love for others, honesty, brotherhood, etc. See, these values, which are there, which are overall similar for a kind of whole society, so they are called social values. These are based on the culture. एक society का जैसा culture होता है, on the basis of that certain values are developed. So those values are called social values. For example, it is basic Indian culture that we respect our elders, we have love for others, we care for others, we have honesty, we have a sense of brotherhood amongst ourselves. So these are what? These are the values which we have in our culture, and which we are, others also embrace us for our these kind of values. When foreigners come to our country, they get to see people of different culture, they're living together in a particular area, in a particular society, and they are, they are communicating with each other. They have a sense of brotherhood amongst themselves. So what are these? These are our cultural values which we have. These are our social values which we are getting from our Indian culture. And the culture which is, outside in foreign countries, it is not exactly similar to the one which we have in India. So these are our own social values जो हमें हमारे culture से सीखने को मिली है. Okay, which we have learned from our society. Then vocational or professional values. These are based on one's profession. Now these are the values जो हमारे profession से related होती है. For example, value of teaching profession. If you are in a teaching profession, your basic values are sharing of knowledge. What is the major role of teacher? The most important role of teacher is to share the knowledge. We impart knowledge to the children. Then sincerity, regularity. These are the basics of of a teaching profession, that whosoever is in a teaching profession, these are the basic values that that person should have. And similarly, persons who are in different professional fields, they have their own professional values as well. Alright, see, sincerity and regularity, these are the common values which are usually followed in all the professions. But like sharing of knowledge, this is not a value which is there in each of the profession. Now if we talk about doctor, क्या डॉक्टर अपने पेशेंट्स को ऑपरेट करना सिखाता है? No. That is his knowledge and that is his skill, and that he has learned with proper, that is actually his work which he has acquired by various studies and by various various courses that he's done. So he is not sharing that knowledge along with his patients. His work is to cure the patients. So just like that, every profession have their own different values, and they are called professional or vocational values. All right. Then we have religious values. These are based on a particular religion. For example, values, see, अब वो values जो एक particular religion की खुद की होती हैं. Like there are several religions which are followed, within the world, and in India also. If we talk about just India, there are so many religions which are being followed. So every religion has got their own particular values, and So these particular values of one specific religion, they are called religious values. Example, in Buddhism, Buddhism की basic values होती हैं good behavior, tolerance, equality. So these are the values that are taught in Buddhism. So similarly, in each of the religions there are values which are taught to us. They are called religious values. The last one is aesthetic values. We had studied aesthetic values in modern classification also, if you remember. And now aesthetic values is also a part of Gawande classification. Alright. Now aesthetic values are what? These are associated with the beauty of nature and art. Alright. We had studied in detail there also. All these values, which help, which inculcate or which generate our interest in the beauty of art, music, literacy, or dance, any form of art. So they are a part of our aesthetic values. So these are all the classification of values which we have studied. So total, we'll just do a quick recap, and with that, we're done with the topic. So overall, we had studied 5 major classifications, if you remember. First one was instrumental values and intrinsic values, wherein instrumental values kya thi? Where we judge a particular value and we have a reason for it. Intrinsic में these are the values which are there in ourselves and there is no reason. वो अगर सही है तो हमारे लिए सही है, गलत है तो हमारे तो किसी और के लिए गलत है, वो उनका personal choice है. There is no reason behind it. Then we had studied Indian traditional classification, wherein we studied 4 things: dharma, arth, काम and moksha. Then we had modern classification, wherein we studied primary values, we studied pleasure values, aesthetic values, economic values, personal values, family values, social values, power values, and religious values, intellectual values, moral values, and spiritual values. So these were the modern classification. Then we studied classification, then the 2 types which we studied today. Classification of values on the basis of our constitution. Which were they? Democratic, socialistic, and secular. And the last and 5th one was Gawande classification. जहाँ हमने क्या पढ़ा था? We'll start from the last one. Aesthetic, religious, then professional values, then which one? Social values, then constitutional, and the first one was human values. Alright. So these were the 5 major classification and their sub-classifications which we have studied. With this, our concept of types of values is done, children. Now, in our previous lecture, I had shown you the question, explain the different types of values. In that, you will be covering all the 5 types. But if you get a specific question, explain the different types of values under Gawande classification. So you will only be explaining the classification of which Dr. Gawande has given, the 6 types of values. Okay. So individual type questions can also come, and an overall question comprising of all the 5 types of classification can also come. Alright, so prepare accordingly. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you.